Today we talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on me down here, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, so you just click here on service here, just click on it here. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, so you just click here on transfer local device to delete here. Here I have no local device connected with me with my account. So but if you have it, you just click here on transfer local device to delete. Then automatically it's going to click with you here, and it's going to show for you to transfer local device to delete on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.